My name's Casey Nichols. I own WaterJack Marine Construction. I've been building docks on Lake Wylie since 2003. I started WaterJack before Carrie and I met, and the company has grown considerably because of the ideas that Carrie's had that's kind of pushed me in a direction that I maybe wasn't comfortable. She's a bigger part of the company than she lets on. The whole process, is the initial meeting, discussion about design and budget, and then the estimate. The first meeting is usually just about how they're going to use the dock and how many boats they have, if there's jet skis now or in the future. And the big thing is to figure out what the long-term goal is, because it's easier to build it into the design now for future use. Everybody that comes to us have different ideas and what they want to use the dock for. So we like to customize it to how they're going to use it instead of what we had maybe done for somebody else. So after that first conversation, we like to get a preliminary design down on paper. Everything that I work with is all in CAD, so it's easy to take and turn and resize things. We're not jotting things down on graph paper and pencil anymore. We use SketchUp and different layout programs that that make communicating back and forth with customers so much easier than if I had to do it on paper. Some of the more complicated jobs, I'll build it on CAD and work out a lot of the things that the guys in the field would run into and scratching their head. I can build it on the CAD program. It's easier and more efficient time-wise. As soon as we get a design that's close or exactly what people want, then we'll go ahead and put some numbers together. So the next step is just the estimate. Certain counties on Lake Wylie, you have to have engineered drawings. It's a county law. They won't even accept an application without engineered drawings. There's not really any building code for on the lake, and I'll look at the drawings and think that's a great baseline, but you need another pole here and you need more lumber here, and that's got a lot to do with the years I spent building out in the field swinging the hammer. And I've seen corners cut that wouldn't be cut in other counties where the contractor knows they're going to have an inspection. The little bit of information that they give us as guidelines is really the beginning. We go beyond that building code, just because we know over time what happens and where extra braces and things are needed that you can't get out of any building code book. We've partnered with companies like Trex. We don't buy any of our material from any of the big box stores that typically sell second grade lumber. We're a platinum dealer for Trex, which gives the client a labor warranty along with the material warranty. We're the only dock builder in the area, at least for Lake Wylie, that has that labor warranty. We go to the Miami Boat Show, the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, and some of the builder shows. Trex puts on a lot of contractor type seminars that we go to and try to keep up with all the trends. So we've found and been first to bring to the area several things like the flip down cleats, safety cleats, and hidden fasteners. So we've incorporated a lot of things that we thought were cool that we saw at shows, sometimes before they were even available to the public to purchase.